They've been riding 3 days. I can taste the horses in the dust. Ain't slept since the border sun cooking my brain. Every shadow got a rifle, every crow knows my name. Got a canteen full of nothing and a Bible full of lies. The one that poster faded, but the money never dies. They got dogs, they got guys, they got gasoline and rope. I got blisters on my trigger hand and absolutely no hope. Dust in my teeth and a buzzard in my chest. If I stop to dig a grave, I'll be laying in it next. So I don't look at the horizon no more. I look behind me, look behind me. You can hear the hooves if you press your ear to the floor. They coming to remind me.
Mündungsfeuer,
flash in the rear view. Ain't no outrunning what the devil sent to get you.
Mündungsfeuer,
Smoke on the ridge. I was there the moment that I burned the bridge. Preacher's daughter, stolen silver, summer of the drought. I didn't mean to pull the trigger, I just couldn't get the words out. Now the sheriff's got my scent, and the posse got my size. And the woman that I love won't look me in the eyes. Rattlesnake belly, scorpion in my boot. I've been praying to a vulture for a different kind of truth. Every campfire's a witness, every star's a snitch. And the only friend I got left is the ditch. So I don't dream about the party no more. I just count the bullets, count the bullets. You can hear the hammer cock outside the door. They coming to pull it.
Mündungsfeuer,
Flash in the rear view. Ain't no outrunning what the devil sent to get you.
Mündungsfeuer,
Smoke on the ridge. I was there the moment that I burned the bridge. No grave deep enough. No road long enough. When the smoke clears and the dogs go home, bury my boots, but leave my shadow alone. I ain't the bullet, I ain't the gun. I'm just the echo of the thing I never outrun.
Mündungsfeuer,
Flash in the rear view.
Mündungsfeuer,
Flash in the rear view.
Mündungsfeuer,
Flash in the rear view.
Mündungsfeuer,
Smoke on the ridge. I was dead the moment that I burned the bridge. By the time you see the flash, I'm already in the past.